Hey folks, it's Jarrett from Montana Fire Pits. Today I'm going to give you a quick video about how to unclog your fire pit burner, gas fire pit burner, specifically those with jets, and even more specifically, the Crossfire brass burner system from Warming Trends. Here you go. So these instructions are very helpful if you ever notice that part of your burner is not lighting. Some of the jets are smaller than the others. You just notice there's gaps in the fire. It could be that your jets are clogged. So this is what that is. If your burner is not lighting at all, you may have water or ice clogged in the gas line itself. And in those cases, you're going to want to use compressed air to push the water out from the other end of the gas line, so you may need a plumber for that. In those cases, it's best to cover your fire pit burner in the winter, or if it's going to be raining a lot, or if you have electronic ignition, cover that burner and keep the water out of the jets. The great thing about the Crossfire brass burner system is that the jets are easily removable. We call them jets, though I've noticed you all call them various things like nozzles or nipples or orifices. That's all cool. Here we call them jets. In this particular case that I'm going to show you, the cement logs, specifically the driftwood, they were sitting directly on the jets. There wasn't quite enough lava rock, and so over time some of the log material got compacted into the tip of the jet. Now, to avoid this, try to get your lava rock up about a half inch over the jets so that the logs are sitting on rock and not the jets. Okay, so you're going to need a wrench of some sort. For ease and speed, I actually recommend an impact driver with a 3/8 nut driver. Sometimes, if a jet is very tight, an impact driver can help break it free without damaging the jet. So remove all the jets. You're going to need something thin, like a piece of wire here that I have in the video. You're going to need to clear the hole in the jet. It's at the bottom. It's a very small hole. Paperclip might even be too big, so you might need some wire. You're also going to need to clear the air holes on the side, the air intake, so that the jet will perform properly. Once you clear all the jets, you blow all the debris out, you're going to put the jets back in. Now make sure that when you get the jets back in place that you take your time to get the threads even. Cross-threading is going to make it a chore in the future if you ever need to remove or reattach the jets again. So when you tighten them up, don't tighten too much, but you want them to be snug, but don't strip them out. So it's a little bit of a dance there, a balance of tightness but not over tight. Light it up and see if all the jets are firing properly. I recommend testing this at night when it's dark and it's not too windy, so you can actually tell where the fire is coming from each jet, so you can confirm that you cleared all the jets. And so once you've confirmed that, you can put the lava rocks back on. Make sure that you don't get any pieces of debris like dust or little pieces of lava rock stuck in the jets again, so just be aware of that. If it's something you don't really want to hassle with much, lava pebbles are great because they're bigger and there's less debris. They don't chip apart like lava rock does. So yeah, you can mound up your lava rock around the jets to make it taller. You don't necessarily have to go out and buy more. That's one tip for you. Just mount it up in the middle. It looks fine in my opinion, but it allows you to get the lava rock higher than the jets. You don't want to go deeper than an inch or a half inch of lava rock over the jets because it can suffocate the jets. I've heard someone call in once, they said, "Why is my flame blue?" Eventually, after digging and digging, we found that they had like 6 inches of lava rock over their jets, and that causes a suffocation. Yeah, make it half inch to an inch deep over the jets. I wanted to make one point. This is really cool. It's called the water stop fitting, which is exclusive to the Crossfire brass burner system. It comes standard on most of the burners under 320,000 BTUs, but we have a list on our website. The water stop burner can burn underwater, keeps all the water out of the jets. Still require a cover if you're using electronic ignition, but I just wanted to shout out to this awesome technology called the water stop burner. Yeah, it comes with all new burners systems listed on our website under water stop, so check it out. All right, folks, so that was the video about how to clear your jets. Hopefully come back next time to get more info from Montana Fire Pits. As always, go to montanafirepits.com/learn to get all of our information and tips on how to have the best fire in the neighborhood. Thanks again for watching.